Hi babes, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a healthy hair mask for your hair. We'll be using 3 ingredients for this mask. So we'll be using neem powder, fenugreek powder and henna powder. Please do well to strain this very well, because if your powders are not very smooth, you're going to have lots of residues in your hair and it's going to be very difficult when you're washing your hair. So please do well to strain this very well. Now guess what, I'm using this on my sister's hair. My sister's hair has been freshly shampooed. She pre-pooed and then she shampooed, and that's the hair thriving over there. So this time I'm about to add the hair mask to the hair. So hair mask is something that you do or you add to your hair to add extra strength if your hair is breaking all of a sudden, if you are experiencing like sudden breakage and all that. Adding hair mask to your hair is a game changer. It really does very good for your hair. So guys, this is me adding it to a hair. You'll be wondering why I use these 3 ingredients. If you've been on this channel, you will know that I love herbs. Like, herbs are really good. They are really good for the hair. And why did I choose neem? Neem is something that I like it so much because of its detoxifying properties. Like, it can really detox your hair without you doing much, like without you really washing your hair. You don't even need to wash your hair. It can really detox your hair. So I like using neem on my hair a lot. And the next ingredient is fenugreek powder. Guys, fenugreek powder is something that adds this extra strength. When you use fenugreek, you realize your hair becomes a little more slimy. Like, it feels like, I don't know, it's like you've even added aloe vera gel to it. So I really like using fenugreek if I want this slip in my hair. Yes, so if you are looking for something to give you extra strength and still provide you with slip, please use fenugreek powder. Yes, and also fenugreek is something that you can either boil the seeds as they are, or you can just use them as you are seeing in this video. So like using it in a powdered form. You can boil the seeds and then blend them and then use them in your hair, or you can use them in a powdered form like what you saw in this video. And the last but not least ingredient is henna powder. Henna is an Indian secret to hair growth. Apart from the fact that henna promotes hair growth, it also improves hair shine, it helps with dandruff, it also improves the color of your hair. Like, henna is a natural dye, so if your hair color is something you don't really like, you can use henna to bring back the color. Yeah, so imagine all these 3 herbs in your hair. Just imagine what they will do for you. They are going to really help promote your hair growth. So you'll be wondering, what is the best time to do this product, like to do this treatment? I'm like, you can either do this as a pre-poo. A pre-poo is what you do first before you follow up with a shampoo, or you can do this as a deep conditioner. So doing this as a pre-poo, you just make this mask and then you apply it to your hair first before you shampoo your hair, or as a deep conditioner like what you are saying. After you shampoo your hair, you follow up with the hair mask. Yes, both of them are very beneficial. Yes, and please focus on the scalp, because this is also a scalp detox. It's able to clear the scalp of dirt, of any debris, any oil buildup, any product buildup that's on the scalp. So this is almost like a scalp detox. Yes, the reason why I like hair masks is because they're able to strengthen your hair, like especially if you've had heat damage and you are looking for a way to bring back your hair, like bring your hair back to life. This is the best way to bring your hair back to life. Yes, it's able to define your curls, it's able to strengthen your hair, it's able to give your ends that are weak, like gives them some life, like bring life into your ends as well. So please, if you haven't done this hair mask before, please try doing it. My favorite ingredient in it is the henna, and I love henna. Like, I cannot express how I love henna. It's just going to stain your hand, that's why I'm in gloves. But then if you don't mind with the staining will clean after a while. But if you don't mind the staining, you can just leave it like that. So yes, my sister's hair is naturally dense, so you can tell that her hair is really heavy. Yes, so if you're able to use herbs on your hair for long, if I say for long, I mean if you are consistent with a routine for about 3 years, you're going to notice that your hair density is going to change. Your hair is going to be thicker than it used to be. It's going to be darker than it used to be. It's going to be stronger than it used to be. So I recommend herbs for anyone who wants to grow their hair this year and don't know how to start. Yes. So I applied everything throughout the hair, made sure that it was really inside the hair, including the scalp and all of that. And then I covered her hair with a rubber and then followed up with a steamer cup. So right after here, I made her sit under the steamer cup for 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, so that the nutrients in the herbs will be infused properly into the hair. You don't just apply all these goodies and rinse it off immediately. You're going to miss a lot. So you have to infuse it for a while so that the nutrients in the hair is going to work for a while. Yes. And then when you are done after 15 minutes, you notice how curly. I didn't record that, but then after 15 minutes, you notice how curly the hair will become. You will not even believe that this is my natural hair, this is my fussy hair. Yes. So you may ask, how often can you do this? You can do this every time you wash your hair. If you wash your hair once in a month, you can do this once in a month, either as a pre-poo or as a deep conditioner treatment. If you wash your hair once a week, you can do this once a week. You can do this every time. As I said earlier, this is natural and they are really, really safe to use. Not every day, because you cannot wash your hair every day. It's not safe to wash your hair every day. So you can do this every time you wash your hair. So guys, let me see. Can you see how curly my sister's hair has become? So dense, and I really couldn't help myself in doing what I'm doing right now. Like, it was really a very nice feeling doing what I am doing, like playing with her hair like this. Yeah. So let me know your thoughts on this video. Have you tried using herbs on your hair before? What was the feedback? Did you have any negative reaction that you never recommend herbs to anyone, or you think that you need to try it more, or you haven't tried it before, you want to give it a shot watching this video? Please let me know. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'm going to answer every comment. Someone asked me how old my sister's hair is. My sister's hair is less than 2 years old. She was permed, relaxed before she decided to transition. I mentioned earlier she has a naturally dense hair, so don't envy her hair. Her hair is genetically very thick and heavy, so don't envy her hair. Her hair is 1 year old and is thriving very well. Don't say my hair is 5 years and it's not like this. Please, you are different. You are special. You don't have to compare yourself to anybody's hair. So I'll be ending here for today. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Is this something you'll be doing yourself? And please, if you are new to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button or like the video so that it boosts me to share more hair tips. Yes, my name is Lydia once again. Please do well to stay safe and take care of your hair. Don't give up on your hair, because it's going to thrive. It's going to grow so long that you will not believe that your hair has so much potential. I'll be ending with try herbs on your hair. Till next time, bye.